Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander with the V6, and we're going to go over how you would to check your radiator coolant or engine coolant and where you would add. So this is the Overflow Reservoir, and it's got marks down here of full and low. We can see that it's actually full, but if you needed to add fluid, you would just pop this cap and pour the fluid up until the full line, and this feeds back and forth to the radiator through a vacuuming, kind of a siphon vacuum. So if the radiator draws and needs some, it will push it into the radiator, and then if it doesn't need some because of the expansion, it kicks it into here. And that's why we have some gap and we don't fill this completely full, because we want to have room for expansion. But this is where you add radiator fluid for your overflow, right here by the battery on the driver's side, and this is attached to the radiator itself. This is the cap that's on the top of the radiator, and this you don't remove if the engine is hot. It will spray steam or hot fluid and you can get burned from it. But if you've done any other work like water pump, hoses or so forth, the radiator hose, upper and lower, or anything where you've had to drain the system, this is where you can add radiator fluid at a faster rate than putting it through that siphon pump. And you'd want to top this off first and then run the vehicle until the thermostat opens up and fills the whole engine with the proper amount of fluid. But to add directly, you've got to just press this down and twist it to the left, and then you would add your coolant in here, the recommended type for this vehicle, and then you just twist it and put it on, and it has a lock, so you got to kind of push it and twist it and it locks on. So that's how you add antifreeze engine coolant to your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.